To create a floor from an existing building, you go to the building, in this case test, and you modify the building. In the tabs a little further down, you have the option to create a floor. Of course, you give the name of the floor R+1. The level R+1 will be level 1, and the building, of course, is the test building, since we started from this building to create a floor. As soon as I have these 3 pieces of information, I can validate the creation. The first floor is now placed. If I go back to my cover page, the test building does have one floor R+1. Now I click on the shelf +1, and I'm going to, through the context menu, change the shelf +1. There I'll be able to load the image of the base map, but also to give a regulatory capacity, a ceiling height, an opacity of the background, a scale, and a structure. The scale will allow us to give a scale to the plan. The structure will allow us to clearly delineate the plans in 3D view. The opacity of the background plan will allow you to have a greater or lesser opacity and to see it more or less. And then the regulatory capacities will be accumulated over the entire building to give an overall regulatory capacity for the building. To change the image of the base map, I'm going to go and get my plan in my computer. I validate it. My plan appears here, and I save. Now, when I'm on my floor, I have my background plan on which I will be able to draw a scale.